Oh, I'm so hungry. Good, I got a jar of pickles. Good. Oh. Oh. What the f***, man? Did they super glue that on? Watching The Alchemy Kitchen, and this is Kitchen Hacks, a series on things to make your life easier in the kitchen. So this kitchen hack, I'm going to show you how to open a stubborn jar lid if you cannot get it or your hands are greasy or whatever. There's a lot of videos showing tricks for this. I looked it up today, just curiosity. This method I've always done. I don't know, I figured it out myself working in a kitchen a long time ago. And this is the best way. These other ways are lame. You have to use different tools and stuff. This, you just use your hands and a hard surface. I'm just going to use a wooden cutting board. Countertop works. Right on the corner here of the lid. You're not going to whack it hard. You don't want to break the jar. But you just give it a few taps. Turn it, tap, turn, tap. And there you go. I've seen people stick knives under there, break the tip of the knife, heat it up with a torch, or use like saran wrap to get a better grip on it, or rubber gloves, or buy these stupid contraptions up in the jar. This works perfectly fine. It's the easiest way to do it, hands down. Thanks for watching.